y'all? Welcome to another stormy day on the plains of Colorado. If you're new here, my name is Doyle, and we are currently sitting in the cab of the race truck in my garage. You want to see how we got to this point? Stick around. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye. Good afternoon, everyone. So Phoenix and I have moved inside for two reasons. First of all, because it's cold and rainy, and it's supposed to be cold and rainy for the next 3 days. And I'd really like not to be stuck inside and not have a project. And it's really not going to be that cold. It's just going to be wet. So it's inside. But on top of that, I've also crafted... Oh, you can't really see it. Ha 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 ha. Let me turn you around. Check that out. This is the farm way of getting a cab off. Cab should not weigh an astronomical amount, and I'm not going very tall with it, so. Got it chained up to the same place that I chain up my engines, and using much thicker chain, and then it's wrapped around the board, and this thing is solid, and so far the roof is taking it, so I need to disconnect this stuff and then disconnect the body mounts, and then we can go about lifting it up enough to clear the front wheels, and then we can roll the chassis outside, and we can take the cab and turn it 180 degrees, set it back on the ground, and shove it against the wall. That's my hope. Is it gonna work out that way? I don't know. Let's find out. Ladies and gentlemen, there's the cab, there's the chassis, and I am done for the day. So at some point we're going to get this bed off, and we'll start discussing what we want to do with the chassis, figure out which fuel lines to keep and which ones are for carbon canisters, and clean all this up, and go down to the dollar store and get some oven cleaner and see how that works, and get this little girl all prettied up, get this exhaust out of here. Gonna measure the length once we get the transmission in and see if I can go to a one-piece drive shaft like I have in the Vic. Gonna go down to another junkyard and get a different bed. But other than that, that's where we're at, boys. Let's get out there and wrench on something, do something fun. I tell you to be safe, but you see what I just did, and there's definitely no OSHA here, so do whatever you want to do. Have a good day, and God bless. Next time I see you guys, we're working on something, but in the background I'll be working on shaving this firewall, so we'll get that video to you as soon as it's in one piece. It might take me a while, but I'm definitely working on it, and the Monty is getting ready to be started as soon as I finish wiring the steering column. Still waiting for parts for this to come in. And yeah, just trucking along. So Love you guys. See you soon. Bye.